Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. Under the Binary Options Academy project, we are having here a dynamic support and resistance area educational series. What I would like to point out is that, so let's write first of all the fairbinaryoptions.com. What I would like to point out is that on the Binary Options Academy project that we run on our website is to be found, or are to be found, technical analysis setups and fundamental analysis for trading the currency markets or for trading binary options based on analyzing the currency markets. Now, one of the most intriguing or one of the most important setups that one can find is to look for support and resistance. And when the areas of support and resistance are being identified, go and buy call options or put options based on that, or you go long or short on the currency market. It doesn't really matter. Most of the people are familiar with the areas of support and resistance, but fixed support and resistance in the sense that the market, for example, goes and trades from here to here, right? This would be a support here that has been broken. Now, every time the market will come from the downside to the upside in this area should be resistance, so we should look to buy put options. Now, of course, the expiration date depends very much on the time frame that you are looking for or you are looking on. This would be the 4-hour chart. So if I would buy put options on a move here, depends very much the day when it is reaching the resistance. Then I would go and buy them with end of day expiration date or even with a couple of hour expiration date, as it might be broken. However, this is the standard interpretation. The other, let's say, interpretation that the market may, that a trader may have, is being called dynamic support and resistance. A dynamic support and resistance means an area that is not a fixed area. It means an area that follows a trend line, and after the trend line is broken, for example, so it is acting as support, right? Even though the market is still rising based on the trend line. When the trend line is broken, then it should be resistance, and so on. That is a very important concept, and understanding this is vital in finding great support and resistance areas. Again, the higher the time frames, the stronger the support. The lower the time frames, the lower the support or resistance. One of the biggest tools and one of the strongest tools to find dynamic support and resistance area is being given by pitchfork. I don't know if you are familiar with the pitchfork, but pitchforks are to be found on any trading platform, from the MetaTrader to JForex. This is the JForex, for example, and this is a classical pitchfork from a move that we said it was the low. It doesn't really matter that the market came and broke the low here. From this moment of time, we are looking to find dynamic support and resistance areas. So we can draw the pitchfork after the market makes this low here, and the market goes like this. And take a look here. It is proving by the market. So this is support area. Let's say that we want to buy here call options into support, right? Into support. Then the market goes, stays here in the 4-hour chart, stays for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, so 24 hours. So these call options here are to be bought from the lows here, either with end of day expiration date, with couple of hours expiration date, with depends very much. I would go end of day all the time if the time frame is bigger than 4-hour chart, as in this way you are trying to avoid being caught on the wrong side of the market. Then the market comes and breaks the support. After the support is being broken, where would be the next logical thing to look for a market to hesitate? Then of course when the next support level is being tested. So the market comes and tests the 61.8 retracement. Well, no problem. We want to go and buy call options. Again, what would be the expiration date for the call options? Well, end of day expiration date, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 24 hours later, the market is still here. The market goes and tests again with 1, 2, 3 candles to the downside. So basically 12 hours it was bearish, but not really breaking the support. See, the support is not here 135.79, but the support is in this area now, 135.99, so the 136 level. Well, the 136 level holding here again. What to do if the market is not able to break it down? We go and buy call options again. In a support area there is dynamic, means it rises on the trend line here. Stay tuned for the second part as we are continuing our analysis here with more examples in trading binary options with support and resistance.